Hey guys, I got a new phone the other day, so I was trying to connect my camera to my phone and accidentally reformatted my camera card and I lost everything on my camera. I was so hyped to film and now I honestly want to cry, but I'm gonna hold back the tears. We're just gonna get into some makeup. Oh my god, I just cannot believe that. Like, they should make it a bit harder to press the button. Because all you have to do is like press reformat card once and it just does it. Like, I feel like it should at least be like, ask you twice. Oh gosh. Anyway, today we are filming Project Pan Season 4 Episode 2. So my first full face of Project Pan makeup for this season. I'm sorry if I seem like bummed out. I really am after that. Like, I'd just done a backup or like just like imported my stuff to my computer, so I didn't lose any YouTube videos, but I had like videos of like my nephew on there and just like other stuff that I just hadn't saved, like that I was just keeping on my camera, and like all my thumbnails and stuff. So yeah, I'm a little bit gutted right now. But these things happen sometimes. I'm just very sad. Why would they even have that an option? Who wants to fully wipe their memory card? I don't know if I've ever heard of anyone who successfully wants to fully wipe their memory card. Like, anyway. Alright, let's try and move on because I want this, like, I don't want to sulk this whole video because I don't feel like that won't be very fun to watch, so. Alright, I have a couple of palettes in here. I'm kind of thinking today that I want to do, I don't know. I kind of want to do like a neutral look and tap some glitter over it. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to go into my Colourpop Going Coconuts palette. And I'll start with, I think I'll start with the shade called Shell, yeah. I'm just still like, as if that happened, like as if that happened. Anyway. So I kind of want to do like, yeah, like a kind of halo eye thing today. So I'm going to tap this like on the corners if it, like, I'm going to leave some in the middle is pretty much what I'm going to do. It's like 9 o'clock and I still haven't even edited my video for tonight. That was meant to be up 2 hours ago. So yeah, you can tell I'm very organised. I had to work a weird shift. I had to go in to cover someone at work, so I worked from like 5 till 7. So then when I got home I need to film, but I also need to like edit my video, and I was like, if I edit my video first, I know I'm not gonna have the like the motivation to film after, so I was like, I need to film first, so that, because I know if I edit, like, it makes me tired, because, you know, obviously you're kind of sitting there on your laptop, like, you know, so I was like, I need to film first and edit after, because yeah, like usually after I edit it's time for bed, so oh gosh, I'm just gutted. And because I'm in between transferring everything on my phone, like I'm a bit worried that like all my looks and stuff that I've done, because they're not on this phone yet, so I'm just hoping I can get them off my other phone first. Anyway, next I'm going to take maybe the Lovely Bunch shade, that one there. That looks quite cute, and I also might mix that with a bit of Shredded. So I'll mix those two together and use that to like blend this out. It could have been so much worse. Like, I literally exported everything like 10 minutes ago, so I could have lost all of my footage from today, but I didn't, thank God. I think I would have had a mental breakdown if I did, because, you know, I'm keeping it together. I feel like, you know, this time of the year, it's the time for mental breakdowns, you know? It's the end of the year, things are stressful. Like, my mum yelled at me today and I full bawled my eyes out, like I was crying so much. Everything's all good, I just got in trouble, but I was crying so much. Oh. You know, so I feel like I'm on edge at the moment. I feel like everyone feels that way around this time of the year, you know, like it's a crazy time, but yeah, it's just like it's really tested me today, like that just happened. I told Sam and he was like so nice to me. He's like, I'll give you some money so you can afford to take some time off work and then you can refilm. And I was like, darling, you are so beautiful. Like, I'm so glad that I have you. Like, when everything is falling apart, like, knowing that I have you keeps me together. So thank you. So Sam, if you're watching this, which you probably won't because I know you don't like makeup videos, I love you a lot. He said sometimes when he misses me, he will watch my videos, but he said that about a year ago now. But I just remember because I was like, oh, that is so sweet. I don't know what shade to take in the middle. I've got like a few like glittery shades. I could go for like this silver one. Is that going to be like too much? The pink? Maybe what I'll do is take my P. Louise one. This is the P. Louise Primer Define in You're Glowing. It's like this beautiful shade. So I think what I'm going to do is I'll take that and just like tap it on just in that middle bit. I'll tap like a bit extra so that I can blend back into it and it doesn't take away too much of the glitter, you know? Alright, so now I'll take the Shell Yeah shade again. I'll take it on like a smaller brush and just kind of like put it at the edge and this look is really ugly. I don't know what I've done. This looks so ugly. I'm gonna take some of the Palm Reader shade out of the Colourpop palette. Put that over to the top. And then we'll just blend, I guess. I just want it to look a bit more kind of like, I don't know. What would save this, do you think? What should I do that is going to make this look better? Like, or is it just done? Like, is it got no hope? It reminds me of like when I was first getting into makeup, which you guys know that was not a good look. Maybe I should just turn it into a cut crease. Or do I just leave it? I don't know. I might just take a bit more of the Palm Reader shade and kind of like just tap it over, I guess, like over the front part. So I guess it looks like it's meant to look like this. Alright. The mascara in my project pan is the Bad Gal Bang Mascara from Benefit. Alright, I'll go stick some lashes on and then I will be back. So I just used the Doll Beauty lashes in Chloe. They're not in the project pan. I don't have any lashes in the project pan just because I feel like, I don't know, I don't need to pan any of them. For primer today, I'm going to take a mixture of the Anastasia Hydrating Oil and the Anastasia Liquid Glow in the shade Perla, I think. Or Perla. I don't know. Anyway. I'm going to take a mixture of these. Alright. I think for foundation today I'll take the Makeup Revolution Matte Base Foundation in F8. It doesn't match me, but both of the foundations in here don't match me, so it's like a lose-lose situation, you know? So you can see it's very much not my shade. It looks like one of those ice creams, you know, that has all the different shades on it. It is a really nice foundation though, like I do really like the way it looks. I just wish it was my shade, but that's on me anyway, so What are you gonna do? Oh god, it looks so bad. Like the shade, I mean, not the foundation. I don't know why, but it makes me feel like I've got a sunburn, like look like I've got a sunburn, like. Anyway. It's just such a bad shade. Is anyone this colour though? Like, is anyone this shade of orange? Are they? Because I swear it's not like last time I used it, I swear it was not this bad. Like, I feel like maybe it's like oxidized or something, like, because I haven't used it in a while. I don't know. Alright, I'm going to take a bit of the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in the shade Light. This stuff is so thick. It's such a nice concealer, but honestly it's like concrete, you know? No, concrete's not even thick, concrete's hard. I don't know. Guys, what the hell? That looks awful! Hopefully it'll be alright by the end of the video, like, once everything else is done, you know? That's what I'm hoping. This is what happens when I film when I'm not in a good headspace, like, everything just gets messed up. This It Cosmetics concealer is so good though. I do really like it. It's like a really good concealer. I feel like my camera doesn't even recognize me because I don't look human right now. Alright. I'm going to set my under eyes with the Anastasia Loose Setting Powder in the shade Vanilla, and I might even just use this to set the rest of my face just because I don't want any coloured powder on my face because I do not need any more colour. I'm just going to get all that powder there, get it all nice and locked up in there. I really hope this turns out at the end because this whole video has just been a mess from point A to like just... I really hope this turns out. I do really like the finish of my skin though, like if it wasn't this colour. I really like the like effect that Anastasia Loose Glow has had below my skin. I think it looks really, really nice. I feel like I don't want to add bronzer because I feel like it's just going to be a nightmare, but honestly. Alright, actually, you know what I might do? This Too Faced powder is actually like a lot lighter than my foundation, so I'm actually going to put that on. And hopefully that'll like lighten up the skin a little bit maybe. This one's in the shade Almond. Alright. Looking good. Not really, that's a joke. Alright. Bronzer time. I think for today I might take the Natasha Denona Bronze and Glow. This is the mini one, and yeah, I think I'll take this bronzer here. It's a really pretty shade. Alright, I might take my bake off now, if it'll come off. I feel like it's not gonna come off. Oh no, it's alright. Looks alright to me. Okay, should we do some blush? I kind of want to go into the Kimchi palette. I'm gonna take this one here. It's called Sunkissed. This is the Kimchi X Naomi Smalls Sunkissed in June palette. That's such a cute shade. I feel like I really cannot pull it off, but we're here, so we're doing it. And then should we take the highlighter out of here as well? There's Afternoon Glisten or Highest Point. They kind of look the same, don't they? Oh, when you swatch them, they're not. I think only Afternoon Glisten is going to match my skin, and even then it's going to be a struggle, but that's what I will take. So beautiful! I actually do really like Kimchi's brand. I can't wait until there's like more. from the brand. I don't know much about kimchi, like the person. Oh, isn't that just beautiful? I really like that. I'm very, very impressed. It's so pretty. Alright, I'm gonna do some... I might set my face first, actually. I think I'll take the Anastasia Dewy Spritz. Set my face. Oh, that feels so nice. It's so hot out here. So I feel like that's just like a nice mist, you know? Alright. I'm gonna go off camera, I'll do my hair, and then we can do a lip, and I'll be back. Okay, so I don't really like this hairstyle. I wish mine looked like just a bit like nicer. Like that. How do you get it to look like that? Anyway, this is the finished look. Oh god, it's so bad. Like, I like the face part, and then just like if it's like this, it's fine. And I used the Fenty gloss in Sweet Mouth, which I don't know where I put that. Alright, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching Project Pan Season 4 Episode 2. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Really hope you enjoyed this one. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!